Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Road Ranger. Go! You didn't start at the waterfall, you dum-dum. Go to the waterfall. Go to the waterfall.
I will. The next time, okay?
I mean right now.
I will the next. Oh! It's cold.
Too scared to. Haley just left. Haley came over and Hannah and we swam. Hey, I got tugged down by that current and I got freaking cut. Can you see that? If you can see that, I got cut and it's deep.
Let's fight it. Come on. Come on, let's fight it.
And it hurts bad. And it got two other cuts right here, and I'm not flipping you off, I'm sorry. I'm showing you.
Let's fight this.
Oh, we fought this earlier.
No. Oh.
All right, I'll jump in here, right here.
No. Fight, fight.
Oh, it's cold as a bitch. Been out for too long. You sexy beast. Oh, are we gonna walk with the boys?
Go.
Is the boys coming? Is the boys coming? Oh, the boys are coming. Let's go with the boys. Oh shit, the boys.
The boys are coming after.
Okay, I'm coming, because the boys are coming. Oh shit, the boys are coming. Oh shit. If I fall with this phone, because I fell everywhere the last time. Hey, let's go down there and hop on the float and ride.
That's what we were going to do.
All right, let me go take this back, then we can do it. All right, niggas and bros. All right, niggas and bros. Oh shit. After I fall, ow, if I get cut again, I swear I'm just going to end my life right here in the river. Okay, see y'all on the flip side. What? Yeah. Wait, let's record her first. If she can't handle it, and I set up a little, this is mine, that's hers. And we got some food and my glasses and stuff right there and my shoes, and that's a no trespassing sign Jada found. So when people come down here, they'll see that and be like, no way. So if you come down there, read that. Oh shit, how'd she get down there so fast? Go ahead. Go ahead. When she gets to here, she's gonna be going like a little creator. Me, Hannah, and Haley got stuck right there. We had to fight that current. It looks like a sissy current, but trust me, it's stronger than it looks. Catch y'all later, dudes.